Good morning, everybody. Let me show you outside. It's nearly 7 a.m. I've been up since about 5:30, and this is what's happening outside at the moment. And she keeps wanting to go out, but it doesn't take her long to decide to come right back in. We'll check back in when the sun comes up. I don't think it's going to come up much today. But you can see the cars and the truck are covered in a fair amount of snow and ice. Alright, this is not typical for December in South Carolina. This is off the back porch. That poor cedar tree is just loaded with ice. This is what we get. We don't really get nice, you can go out and play in the snow very often. We get ice. And you can see where it's gathered on this dogwood tree right here. The garage has a blanket of snow and ice on it. This afternoon we're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches of snow on top of this. So, come over here. And there's another dogwood tree just loaded with ice. So it's quite cold this morning. I just put a German blueberry cushion into the oven to take the chill off the kitchen. See, the ice weighs the trees down. See how that one's bending? I'm hoping none of them snap off. But we've got a breeze going. It's just cold. Alright, we'll check back with you a little bit later and see how it progresses. I don't know about the rest of you, but when it's cold outside, I always want to bake a little something in the morning to take the chill off the kitchen. And I've made this, it's a German blueberry kuchen. Sorry about the cat being bad. But just pulled it out the oven so it's steaming hot. And we'll check it out and see if it's good. Alright, I got the first piece out and I'm going to go have it with some coffee. And I took Scott a cup of coffee, so hopefully he'll get up soon and we'll fix his typical breakfast that he likes to have, which is some kind of breakfast meat like sausage or bacon and some eggs. But I'm going to eat this for breakfast, and then we will get up to something to stay busy because we're not going anywhere. I've got a craft project I need to work on. I might tape some of that and clip it in here. Okay, everybody have a great day and stay warm. Hey guys, I just thought I'd step out here on the porch. We're not going anywhere today. This one insists on being out here on the porch. I wish he would come in and get warm. Howard, it's so cold. Tippy is in, and Callie went out, and I don't know where she went to. She's been gone for hours now. I hope she's in somewhere halfway warm. But you can see the car and the truck, both are just coated with snow and ice, and there's this wind has picked up. And everything's weighted down by ice, and it's just really, it looks like snow, but it's really more ice. Just piles and piles of ice. That's what's bad about winters in the South when they get like this, because it's just cold and ice. And people don't know how to drive in it. People don't know how to cope with it. It's just bad all around. That poor cedar tree just keeps bending farther and farther. And the pine trees are not equipped to handle it, so they usually will snap off. So hopefully the little cedar tree will hold on. But I just thought I'd show you our winter wonderland a bit. and check back with you later. And oh, by the way, the German blueberry Kuchen was very good. It's only got one piece left in the house. All right, I'll check back later. Just a quick peek at the background I'm working on for the angel I made yesterday. I'll come back when I've got it all put together. Just wanted to give you a peek here. I have completed the angel that I started yesterday with Jerry at Recycled Parts for Art, and I'm going to frame her in a shadow box frame because she's got quite a bit of dimension to her, and I just love how she turned out. But I had to create a background for her, so I just did a quick mixed media background with some ripped cardboard, book pages, buttons, a stencil of a wing. So that's my angel. I'll go back to watching Tanya now. Just a quick update before it gets dark. You can see where the snow has melted and fallen off the car and the truck a bit, but it's still cold as all get out. And just thought I'd share, we still got stuff on the ground, and you can hear the stuff falling out the trees. So this will all freeze up and turn to ice later tonight, so the roads will be bad in the morning tomorrow. So just another little catch up.